Danielle de Ridder was born on September 3, 1992, to a loving family. She was diagnosed with Diamond-Blackfan anemia as a child. This is a rare, chronic disease that impacts the bone marrow's ability to produce red blood cells. With the limited treatment options, Danielle was in and out of the hospital throughout her childhood.
In December of 2003, Danielle underwent chemotherapy and a bone marrow transplant with her sister as her donor. Danielle passed away while in recovery due to her immune system being compromised. She was only 11. Danielle would have graduated from Carle Place High School in 2010. Danielle and her siblings are the third generation of de Ridders to go through Carle Place.
By raising money for the Diamond-Blackfan Anemia Foundation, you are providing hope for every patient. The DBAF helps support families, education initiatives, and assist in finding a cure and better treatments. So far, the DBAF has funded over 60 research projects. They successfully found the defective genes causing Diamond-Blackfan anemia.
Welcome to the 2022 Battle of the Classes Introduction. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about the day of the event. The Battle of the Classes event will be on Thursday, May 26th. It will be taking place during the school day beginning at 10 a.m., though you will report to your classes as usual in the morning. Each grade will be called down to the gym one by one and report to their respective bleachers. We'll begin our event with the senior run-in, followed by the student organization and key club introduction. We will then proceed with the first set of indoor events. We will then head outside to the bleachers across from the turf, where each team will sit together. We'll proceed with all of our outdoor events, and then eat lunch outside. Lunch will be provided for everyone. We have a food truck coming from Enzo's Pizza. Food such as pizza, salad, wraps, and even Italian ices will be served. Consider bringing a few water bottles with you to school that day, as you should definitely stay hydrated. After our outdoor games are complete, we will head back inside for our final games, and of course, to announce the winning grade. Unlike last year with COVID restrictions, we're reverting back to the original structure of Battle of the Classes as much as possible. For the event, your team is your entire grade. There are no more small teams that do each event. Only a select group of people are chosen to do each event. You want to divide and conquer. Here's how to sign up. A link to this website will be sent to all students. There's a separate sign-up link for each grade. Click on your grade sign-up sheet. Read all of this information. It is imperative that you fill out this form correctly. You can choose up to 3 events and mark them in order of preference while you sign up. Fill in your name and email at the top, and then select your events. You may not always get the game that's your first choice, but everyone has the ability to participate. Officers and SO officers will ensure that players are chosen fairly. Make sure to click Done when you've completed this form. If you do not want to participate in the event at all, On that same page, you must fill out a study hall form in which you will report to a study hall for the entirety of the day. Though we recommend being a spectator, your team can get points for having the best grade participation, so it's strongly recommended that you attend the event even if you don't want to play games. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Here are the events for this year. Of course, we'll have a Spirit Week going on the week of the event. Your grade's participation as a whole can win you points for having the most spirit. The exact days will be announced before the event. There will also be mini pop-up events throughout the week leading up to battle, where representatives from your grade can win you some extra battle points. Lastly, each grade will be responsible for decorating the gym walls where your class sits. This wall will be judged for points. We also encourage grades to decorate their hallway and their outdoor bleachers for spirit, but it's not required. Don't forget that there are even more important things than winning the events. Good sportsmanship, Carle Place pride, participation, and of course fundraising. Try to keep in mind throughout the day who and what we are raising money and awareness for. We truly can't wait to see you there. For more information, check out our Instagram page at Carle Place Student Organization. You can also email us at carleplacestudentorganization@gmail.com or simply reach out to an SO officer. Make sure you sign up for your event by May 6th.
One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. Light a fire they can't put out, carve your name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores, don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I heard him say,